2 new packages from where are these from? Like Georgia or something?
Yeah.
All right, well, they showed up the other day. Today is March 30th. Oh joy.
I can't even see.
If you can see it, this focus should be here.
Let me see.
Doing shaking bees in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's actually pretty good. That's a pretty good angle. We got the 2 packages. We got that. We got the smoker going. You know what we should do? Let me get my, I'm gonna spray them.
You're gonna spray them.
Yeah, with some sugar water, just to sort of keep them entertained while we dump them.
Oh yeah, gotta keep those bees entertained.
Yeah.
Can't let them get bored.
I've got a sprayer.
Oh, you hear those bird noises out in the ambience? We're gonna use this dead time where I'm waiting. We're gonna, oh, so we got, here, I'll pull them over out. That would be good. We got these 2 bee packages, in case it wasn't clearly explained already. Got these nodes over here. We got a lot of bees in them. I think it's like 10,000 is the official count, but I'm not really sure. They got a queen. We're gonna go dump them into 2 new hives. So this winter we had, oh, you can't see me, can you? This winter we had a bunch that were alive, but most of them died. There's like 3 left with like a little handful. So we got 2 new packages. We're gonna throw them into this guy here. There's one over there you can't see, but I'll move the camera. We'll be all set. Yeah, 2 new. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. Something like that. You could say it's exciting. I don't know if the average person would be that excited about this, but you know, for that certain type of person. Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, well, big bee man's coming back. He'll fill you guys in, or whoever's watching this. It's probably gonna be him, honestly, or me. All right, welcome back.
I don't know if they can see me.
Probably not. Probably just your hand or something.
Yeah, we're gonna spray them.
Spray them. Make sure try to stand on the other side. You guys bring them over. Oh, there's bees on my stand. Now, why are you spraying them with sugar water?
Keep them entertained.
Oh.
They're worried about cleaning themselves off instead of cleaning me.
All right, now that our bees are fully saturated, we can go get to work.
Yeah. All right, like down here, and then just squeeze it.
You just, yeah. I don't know how you
shit.
manage to do all those things, but jeez. Let me get this thing out. There we go.
Get the cork out. The cork comes out of the candy side, not the other side. A little bit of candy in there that they have to chew through.
I can't see it now, but it's a little, looks like a little marshmallow. Yeah. This in.
You shake it or I shake it?
Either or, what do you want to do?
Shake. Yeah, let's put this on top, we'll shake it. No bees. And look inside. Yeah, we got a few bees in there. Patrick, show the pile in there.
Oh yeah, I can see it. I don't know how well it's picking up just the ambient cloud.
Hey!
Oh yeah, that's
looking
a
good.
lot of motion in there.
Woo!
Trying to like knock into the hole.
We still got some bees in here. Looking good. You can just leave this outside and find your way in. Put some pollen on them. You got some sugar water in there. It's gonna be cold the next couple of days. Just gonna insulate it. All done. Number one.
One down, one to go.
Oh, we still got some more sugar water. We can actually put the sugar water. I don't want to put too big of a hole.
Well, like this little nail.
Well, just we all.
Wait, what about this thing?
Well, I'm just gonna.
Alright, just knock it.
It's warm enough today. They can take that.
They can take it.
Yeah, we still got some more in here.
There we go, now one's done.
Alright, where are we? Let's go number two.
There we go.
Nice. Round two. Patrick's up.
Yeah, wasn't it just up?
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
Alright, should we move this thing or just doesn't matter?
Want to move it? The box?
No, it doesn't matter, I guess. We have
You got all sorts of tools over there. Pop it up.
all sorts of tools.
Yeah. Nice. Well, maybe we should hold on to the queen this time.
Good call, good call.
Yeah. I don't have to stick my hand in there again.
This is sad.
Pop it up. I'll get this one. Yeah, we're gonna drop this right in.
Yeah, that's
It's the hardest part of the whole thing, is getting the can out.
there we go.
Yeah, let's see. Queen's alive and running around. Good sign. Hey, Queenie.
Hey, Queenie. Alright, good to shake.
Let me get the, what do you call it out? Cork out of the candy side. Candy side, yes. Nice.
Nice.
Cork's out. Let me get the queen in. All right.
Shaking time.
Shake them in. Woo, yeah. Nice. Yeah, Alright, let's put that out front. We need a close-up. Protein.
Just slapped it directly on top.
Yeah. Put this box on for now. Once they settle down, we'll take this top box off. Just some insulation. It's supposed to get cold out this week. Oh, we still got some more sugar water.
Every time.
Yeah.
First time we got packaged, it wasn't like mid-April, right?
Yeah. Yeah, this is early. This is early. Took a chance. Took a chance. Hopefully the weather doesn't turn too cold on us. There we go. We're good.
All right. What are we gonna do?
Yeah, it's recording. We're just taking a look at Patrick in his outfit.